number 19, what we're going to do is we're going to recognize this is a right triangle. Once we recognize this is a right triangle, we usually have two choices uh, in our tools. We usually have Pythagorean theorem, or we have trigonometry. So since we're given an angle, a side, and then we're looking for the missing angle, we're going to use trigonometry. So if you remember, trigonometry looks like this. Some old hag came around here teaching old algebra. Some people know it as SOHCAHTOA. And as I told my students, if your x is on top, you're going to multiply. And then if x is on bottom, you're going to divide. If you're looking for the angle, then you're going to do second function. Well, we're not looking for the angle here, so we're either going to do one of these two. So first thing, I need to label my triangle. When I label my triangle, what I have to remember is in between what I circle and my right angle, this little segment is always your adjacent. So that's my A. Across from my right angle is my hypotenuse. So that is my H. So I have an A and an H. A and H is cosine. Cosine, every time I circle the angle, that's what goes in parentheses, equals my A, which is x, over 80. So this puts my x on top. So that means I'm going to multiply 80 times cosine of 20. So when I go to my calculator, I need to make sure I'm in the correct mode to begin with. So go to mode, and I'm in degree. So that's what I need to be. If you're not and you're flashing radian, you scroll over and hit enter. Then I go to cosine. Then I type in 80 times cosine 20. Close your parentheses, and you get 75 feet.